Owning a motorhome can be tough for seniors with all the upkeep and physical effort involved. But don't worry, because in this video, we're checking out 10 incredible luxury camper vans designed with seniors in mind. These vans offer top-tier comfort and convenience so you can enjoy the freedom of the road without the hassle. Let's dive in. Kicking off, our list is the 2024 Winnebago Soles National Park Edition, a true game-changer in the RV world, priced at $152. This camper is built for outdoor enthusiasts craving adventure. One of its standout features is the pop-top roof, offering extra sleeping space. Ideal for families or groups of friends, there's something about its classic, no-fuss design that brings back memories of the good old days. Those long road trips, campfire stories, and the simple joy of exploring the open road, designed for versatility. The soulless NPE is ready for anything, whether it's a peaceful night under the stars or an off-grid expedition. Its rugged build ensures smooth travel across different terrains and weather conditions, plus with an intuitive layout and beginner-friendly features. It's a fantastic choice for those stepping into the RV lifestyle for the first time ever. Wish for a camper van that doubles as your ultimate adventure hub. Introducing the HiMR Freeze Campus, a game-changing overlanding vehicle with a price tag of around $999. This exceptional van lets you escape the ordinary and dive into thrilling journeys designed to accommodate up to four people. Its versatile interior is ideal for trips with family or friends. The stylish blue gray exterior stands out, while the sleek interior boasts polished silver accents and rich dark wood finishes for a refined touch. Measuring 5.93 m. It features a pop-top roof, transforming it into a roomy two-section camper with 4 sleeping BS. Stay connected with the MBX multimedia system and its 10.25-in touchscreen, while the 9GT-Ronic automatic transmission delivers a seamless ride. Plus, its Ergon IC design, smooth handling, and easy accessibility make it a fantastic choice for seniors looking for comfort on the road. Whatever the weather, the covered terrace adds an extra 7 square m of outdoor living space. Perfect for relaxation, all right, folks? Let's dive into the 2024 AWD Mercedes-Benz Sprinter by Beachside Custom Vans, starting at $175. RE Zero, inspired by the concrete oasis. This build boasts a van compass suspension, rugged F. Goodrich KO2 tires, and sleek AMA windows, all topped with a sturdy roof rack inside smart cret walls, and Lune Seal flooring create a stylish yet practical space. The lounge area features an L-shaped couch, a high-tech electrical system, and a space-saving elevator bed. The kitchen shines with butcher block countertops, walnut cabinetry, and high-end appliances, including a dual-burner induction stove. The bathroom stands out with a spacious shower, a dry flush toilet, and smart storage solutions designed for off-grid adventures. This van strikes the perfect balance between toughness and comfort. The CV600DF Camper B, built on the reliable Ford Transit chassis seamlessly, blends travel freedom and comfort with a price tag of $499. It boasts a sleek design and a spacious interior, making it an excellent choice for those who value both style and functionality. Etrusco has expanded its lineup with this impressive model, ensuring faster delivery and more customization options to get you on the road sooner. Whether you're planning a city getaway or a scenic road trip, the CV600DF's compact yet versatile layout adapts to any adventure inside the bright modern living space features. Smart storage solutions and family-friendly additions like the dual iStock system, available in stylish colors such as frozen white and magnetic gray, along with multiple engine options. This camper van can be tailored to fit your personal travel needs. Its easy accessibility, smooth handling, and thoughtfully designed interior make it a perfect choice for seniors looking for a comfortable and hassle-free way to explore. Searching for the ideal camper van for your family's adventures? The Doc Holiday from Off-Highway Van might be just what you're looking for. This van seats up to 7 people and sleeps 5, making it an excellent choice for family road trips or weekend getaways designed with comfort and versatility in mind. Off-Highway Van, a Utah-based company, uses aerospace engineering methods in materials like aluminum, carbon, and composites to build a lightweight yet durable camper. The result is a rugged vehicle that's ready for any adventure while ensuring long-term reliability inside. You'll find a spacious layout with customizable aluminum cabinetry, memory foam mattresses, and plenty of storage. The Prox trim features off-road enhancements, such as all-terrain tires and a reinforced suspension equipped with everything you need for cooking, sleeping, and relaxing on the move, including a cooktop fridge sink and an optional shower or extra storage. This van is ready for any journey starting at $69.99. The Dock Holiday is perfect for families who want to explore the outdoors in both comfort and style. This remarkable van, motorhome hybrid, is designed for off-road journeys and long-distance travel priced at $250. Surely one is a Rio. It boasts a mechatronic pop-up roof expanding the living space while maintaining a compact size that fits inside a shipping container, ideal for venturing into remote locations. The exterior is equipped with outdoor essentials, like aero boxes for additional storage, a spare wheel carrier with an easy lift system, a Thule bike rack, and powerful LED lights to illuminate your campsite, with max Trek supports, sand plates, and a robust build. It's prepared to tackle challenging terrains inside. You'll find a fixed bed for a restful sleep, a fully equipped kitchen featuring a stainless steel sink, gas hob, and fridge, as well as a shower system with both internal and external mixers, plus a thermostatic shower head for easy cleanups after a day of exploration. This fully loaded vehicle offers the perfect blend of innovation, comfort, and durability, making it the ultimate companion for unforgettable adventures. Its ease of use, spacious design, and comfort features make it especially suited for seniors looking to explore the world in style and convenience. Let's take a closer look at the Grand Teton camper van, inspired by the iconic Land Rover Defender 90, built on a 2023 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 144 WB with AWD. This van comfortably seats 4 and sleeps 3 plus, offering the ideal blend of rugged adventure and modern luxury, priced at $31,385. Simple storage solutions from Allen Yama Vans, making it ready for serious expeditions. Inside the van strikes a perfect balance between functionality and comfort. The galley comes with a marine-grade fridge and quartz composite sink, while the convertible seatbed offers a cozy place to relax. Plus, there's a hidden INF floor shower with a drip tray providing a clean hot water oasis wherever you go, powered by an 8-hour battery, solar panels, and dual alternators. You'll have plenty of off-grid power, and with Starlink, staying connected is easy. This van is truly designed for those who seek both adventure and luxury. Is this the ultimate camper van for seniors? Because the Ross Monster Baja truck camper is designed to make off-grid adventures accessible and comfortable. Built to thrive in snowy conditions, starting at $369. Shirayoru 1. This camper ensures you can confidently explore winter landscapes, its compact size and low center of gravity. Make it easy to maneuver, handling like an agile F-150, rather than a bulky RV ideal for seniors who appreciate smooth driving on winding roads. The streamlined design reduces sway, ensuring a stable ride, while the insulated pass-through offers a peaceful retreat to enjoy your favorite podcast or music without interruption inside. There's a cozy cab-over queen bed, a convertible dinette for extra sleeping space, and a fully equipped kitchen with all the home comforts with seating for up to 6 in a rugged Class 5 CH. The Baja is perfect for seniors ready to tackle tough terrain and enjoy the freedom of remote off-grid exploration. Okay, guys, let's check out the Weinberg Expedition 600 Kamiku, a rugged camper van starting at $120. Built on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis with 150 PS, it offers rear-wheel drive and an optional all-wheel drive upgrade with a 1M lift, making it ready for any tough terrain. Perfect for seniors. This van is designed for ease of use with intuitive controls and a comfortable layout that makes long journeys less tiring. The bold cargo-inspired graphics and 4 color options give it a striking presence on the road inside. It comfortably accommodates up to 4 people with features like acoustic wall panels, sloped furniture, and stainless steel accents. The customizable LED lighting system creates a premium inviting atmosphere for practical off-grid adventures. The Clean Flex waterless toilet system seals waste in odor-proof foil bags, saving water and eliminating odors. This camper van combines rugged durability with modern comfort, making it the ultimate companion for your next overlanding adventure. Introducing the Aloha 2024, an adventure-ready camper van that's perfect for those who never want to stop exploring, whether you're flying solo or enjoying a family getaway. This AWD powerhouse accommodates four comfortably, offering the ideal balance of luxury and ruggedness. With 800 amp hour lithium power solar, charging a Webisto heater and an RB air compressor, it ensures you're always ready for off-grid freedom, no matter the season. The Van Compass Stage 4. Three suspension black Rhino wheels in no-K and Outpost all-terrain tires provide the durability needed to conquer the most challenging terrain, from rocky mountain passes to snowy roads and sandy dunes. The Aloha 2024 cruises through with ease inside. You'll find a heated shower, a cozy memory foam bed, a composting toilet, and smart storage solutions to keep you comfortable on every journey. For the seniors who cherish the good old days of adventure, the Aloha 2024 will bring back memories of freedom and fun while delivering modern-day comforts and performance that make every trip unforgettable. Have you ever imagined a camper van that lets you roam freely no matter the terrain? Introducing the Hyamar Grand Canyon S, the ultimate van for true adventurers who won't be held back. Built on a 190 horsepower Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 4x4, it's equipped with 16 and off-road tires and exceptional traction, making rough roads a breeze. This isn't your typical panel van. It's crafted for exploration with here's smart battery system too. Mavio extending your off-grid time so you can park in remote locations with ease. Inside, the design balances comfort and practicality. The seating area adapts to your needs. The kitchen adds extra functionality, and the roll-up mattress transforms from a cozy bed at night to valuable storage by day. Even the bathroom is smartly designed with a hinged wash basin that only takes up space when needed. Whether you're watching sunsets in the mountain or waking up by the sea, this van offers the freedom to go anywhere in luxury. Priced at $135. $900, it combines comfort, capability, and off-grid independence into one amazing package. Introducing the Adventure Mercedes Sprinter, one of the most adaptable camper vans you'll find. If there's one word to describe it, it's customization. Whether you're a couple on a road trip or a family of five, this van effortlessly adjusts to your specific needs. Built on the trusted Sprinter chassis, it promises reliability for long journeys and off-grid expeditions. Its easy to navigate layout makes it particularly great for seniors who value comfort and simplicity on the road, starting at just $50. Shirier 1 Iduano, the base build offers premium features without the hefty price tag. Its all-wheel drive and rugged construction make it an ideal choice for winter travel, easily handling snow and challenging terrains. The sleek, minimalist interior includes practical features like roof-mounted solar panels and a retractable awning to expand your outdoor living space. Inside, the smartly designed living area transforms into a comfortable bed, perfect for the whole family. The fully equipped kitchenette comes with a stove, sink, and fridge, making meal prep on the road easy. A compact bathroom with a shower and toilet adds extra convenience for extended stays. With ample storage, including cabinets, shelves, and drawers, you'll have plenty of space for all your gear. This van strikes the perfect balance between comfort and adaptability. For any adventure, the Roamer SX is an expedition vehicle so exceptional it could make even Aquaman take a second glance. Built to tackle the toughest terrains, this powerhouse is equipped with cutting-edge technology and customizable exteriors, setting a new standard for adventure rigs. Perfect for seniors, its automated features and easy-to-navigate systems ensure a smooth and comfortable experience, no matter the journey. With advanced traction control and impressive ground clearance, it glides through snowy landscapes, effortlessly delivering a secure and stable ride all year round. Inside, you'll find luxurious brown leather seating, elegant wood finishes, and high-end amenities that rival a five-star hotel. The kitchen is so well equipped that even Gordon Ramsay would be impressed. This is the FR, designed to accommodate up to 6 people. It features a lavish shower and automated steps for ultimate convenience. As for the price, get ready at an astounding $1 million. It's essentially a mansion on wheels, costing as much as a luxurious music home. Ever thought about exploring the great outdoors in unmatched luxury? Today, we're diving into the Rebellion AWD exclusive by RP. Motorhome's an exceptional innovation in the world of overlanding. Priced at $23,400 offers not just luxury, but remarkable off-road capabilities with features like Mercedes-Benz all-wheel drive, BF Goodrich 8 tires, and increased ground clearance. Picture yourself navigating icy roads and rugged trails, all while enjoying the comfort of heated seats and a 10-in MBUX entertainment system. But what truly sets the Rebellion apart are its off-grid capabilities. With solar panels, Victron battery technology, and an inverter, you'll have a reliable power source no matter where your journey takes you, freeing you from the limits of conventional campsites. Inside the elevated lounge and spacious garage redefine functionality, providing a perfect retreat after a day of adventure. Whether you're a seasoned traveler